On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Happy first Monday of 2026. What is going on? Otter gang in the chat. Let's go, baby. Bitcoin is pumping, baby. I know you guys are all long. You all touched some grass and some ass on the weekend. You guys are all just ready to kick some ass, take some names, whatever you're into. Hey, I've had a great weekend too. Thanks for asking. Just say good morning. Come on, you guys know the deal. Shout out to the chat here. Hopefully you're all doing well. We're doing it. Let's get into it. Beautiful day, beautiful time to trade. So far, 2026, I'm up about, is it a rack? How much is 1,000? Oopsie, I didn't mean to do that. How much is 1,000? I think I got shrinkage over the, I'm shrinking, Gio. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. GG's on your trades, man. God bless you, man. That's awesome. I mean, I had a similar experience in November. I shrunk. I mean, I'm up racks. I think it's racks. Jabones. I'm up 8 jabones this year already. I can't afford to shrink. No, man. I mean, it looks like a button on a fur coat already. What's going on, FJ? Good to see you guys. Trader Geo, GG's my man. Can we get some trees in the chat? You guys have all seen Trader Geo's big ass Solana Lana Long. Look, even a tree. I put some trees out of respect for my fellow trader out there. Someone who actually trading, you know, showing the wins, showing the losses, taking the trades. That's what we're all about here. What's going on, Dano, Duality, Mr. Kemp, Shrian, Geo. Good morning, guys. Good to see you. Good to see you. Mark Gustafson. I don't think Google's ever gonna fix these names. Mark Gustafson, K2, Triple. What's going on, Mr. Pixel? Is my cat? Alexandra G. I hope Geo's still holding. I think he should be. I see. Yeah, we had a nice rejection off of our box last night. I mean, bullish momentum didn't come back to the block. I would have liked the the order block retest in here and continuation out. But we had, very clear. I mean, this is your easy long right here. I mean, if you know, you know, right? If you can see it, you can be it, right? See it to believe it. Very easy. You get long here, or you get long on this break here internally, and you get going and making some money here, but a little bit of flaccidity. Oh man, 2026. I told myself I'm not going to swear anymore. We'll see how long I last. Oh man, that's what she said. It doesn't mean I'm not going to be rude and not have fun, man. We're here to have fun, take trades, show you the trades, take the trades, kick the names, take the ass, whatever you're into, guys. I'm just grateful to be here, hanging out with all you people. Triple X, good to see you. Isaac, Trace E, Curtis Hill, JDM, what's going on? Paul, Shep, Jesse, Halok. What's going on, Mr. Halok? Look at this nice push. We're going to have some volatility today, I tell you that much. Today, Wednesday, and Friday are going to be an absolute gong show. So get your, your Huggies or your Pampers or your Depends, whatever you're into, whatever age bracket you're in, and prepare for a potential pump or dumping. Either way, it's going to be exciting, so you might let out a little shard or something, so be prepared as much as possible, because it's going to be a fun little ride this week. Army Piper in the chat, he's going to, oh man, he must be so excited. He's never seen so much jobs in his life. We have ISM manufacturing today, guys. That's quite important to see how the economy is really doing. So that's at 10. That's at the end of my live stream. So I will stay a little bit late for that news data. Okay, we're going to have market open today with all the oil and Venezuelan news, which is going to be interesting as well. Then we got the jobs Wednesday and Friday. So you got you got JOLTS, and then you got farm payrolls. Okay, so you got 2 jobs datas this week. It's going to be a very, very exciting time. If you're new to trading and you're like, oh, I got $1,000 account, you better be risking less than 1% this week. That's what I would suggest, because it's gonna be a FOMO kind of thing, man. Put a 1 in the chat if you wish you bought at the lows, right? I mean, virtuals back up at $1. You got Render ripping faces. You got Pepe frogging the market. You got dog coins back. You got a little bit of hopium, right? So what typically happens with the hopium, guys? Okay. What typically happens, right? So our job is to be objective, not to be a sheep, right? We're otters in here. We're not sheep. We're not going to follow the crowd. Now, if you're long from where Geo's long, it's a different story, right? We did call the Solana bottom in our Discord. So far, so good, eh, guys? Put a 1 in the chat if you, just to tell the people who aren't in the Discord that we did call the bottom on Solana, but it's okay. We don't need to I'm not going to be that guy who's like, I called the bottom, Those guys. I didn't take the trade. So it's one thing to call the bottom. It's another thing to take the trade. Okay? It's cool. It's cool that I said, oh, the bottom's probably in here. Whoop-de effing do. Did you take the trade to make money? Because that's what we're here to do, right? Decent Crypto, Jesse, Depend, Mr. Tips, Loco, what's going on? Philly Skills, Wagwan. Toronto boys are back, man. We're killing it. Curtis Hill, Troll Games, Decent Crypto, Loco. Ella, what's going on, Ella? I owe you a membership. I'll get you one today in the Discord. You got a free month. Congratulations on your win. Steve Hickey Grayson, Loco for Crypto, Khalifa. Okay, retest back into fair value gap here, rotation down. Not really interested in a trade right now. I'd like to see how this materializes this morning. We'll do top-down analysis and take a look at everything. Imbalance down below, order block, retest to previous highs. I do like it down in here. If we want to come down, I wish we got there last night. Couldn't even get an answer, I know you guys are singing it. Don't lie. All right. So 2 stages of momentum here. I'm more interested in the blue line, if I'm being honest, if we're going to come back down. However, the only cheeky thing about this price action, right, is pretty constructive, right? Like pretty constructive on the way out. It's this guy right here. Now this is absolutely grim, mate. This price action in here, but you know, even this guy in here is a little bit grim. This is okay, but we'll see. We'll see. I mean, very overextended here, so we're prepared. We're ready to trade. That's the key, right? That's the key. It's so good to be back, man. Starting this week off here. FJ Trading, good to see you. My man. Guys, you don't even know the spoon feeding FJ has been doing in the Discord. I mean, the best Discord in all crypto, but I mean, look at all the analysts you have here. But FJ has been absolutely, my God, look at this guy, man. Can you say you're not entertained? 6,500%, guys. Guys, TPs, spoon feeding. This is the Discord. Look at this. TP1, TP1, TP2, TP1, TP. More TP for your bunghole than you know what to do, okay? You have a life subscription to Costco TP. This is just one of the traders. I mean, HRJ, I believe. Oh, can't give you that one. Oh, can't give you that one. Hitting all these ones too. I mean, incredible. I'm just I'm grateful for the community that we have made. It's the best. Everybody says their Discord's the best, man. I just want to see why theirs is the best. I know why mine's the best. I mean, depends on what you want. Depends on what. I mean, we do have, today is the last day, I think, for Zuzam and Floss. I think it'll be the last. Today will be the last day. If you do want $10 off on the Discord, here you go. I can't even spell it. If you ask me to spell Zuzam and Floss in the chat right now, Zuzam and Floss. That's how I would spell it. So I'd mess it up. I'm smart enough to copy and paste it for $10 off. I'm not smart enough to type it though. Put a 1 in the chat if you're not smart enough to type it either. What's going on, Rob, John, Glenn? Good to see you. Rob, John, Glenn, Doru, Professor X. Watch out, man. This guy mind controlling shit. Oh, I just swore. I get a reset, right? Oh, man. Whew. I'm okay. All right. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Yeah, hoping to take a little PP trade. Where's my entry on the daily chart if you get a chance? It would be you'd be looking for a pullback and retest to previous highs. Dave Digital. I missed you too, bro. God bless you, man. You gonna come trade Asia with me again? Crypto Dog, Kogo, Harp, good to see you guys. JR, God bless you, bro. You're still in it. Good job, Gio. Hendy. Trees in the chat. Let's go, baby. Someone put Randy Hipper in the chat, man. It's been a crazy 5 days, bro. Good job. I can't afford to shrink. Yeah, that's it. I know. I sub because of the swearing. Oh, I guess I'll have to work on that one. Good to see you, dog. We're back, man. We are definitely back for sure, ready to trade. Right now, it's we'll do top-down analysis and all that stuff here. We got this coming out. What's it look like for CBD and open interest here? Okay. Solana's a little bit sketchy right now. We do have this uptrending momentum here, but we do see, interest has really fallen off. What do you think about the OI here, Gio? This is interesting, bro. I know you like open interest. I know you like open interest. Right now, yeah, we got lower lows. Sellers stepping up here. This doesn't look bullish just yet. We might need to come back into here. We'll see. It's kind of slow right now. It's absolutely grim, mate. Absolutely grim. Dave Digital, man, God bless you. Thank you for the 10, man. Let's see how many lurkers we got in here. Crypto Futures lurker. Mr. Pixel, thank you for saying good morning. Mo lurker, JRE lurker, Owen Johnson lurker. AlexOCrypto lurker, man. Miss Dead lurker, MMZ lurker, man. Just absolute lurking here on your wanking chariot, acting like an absolute douche canoe, man. You don't even come in here and say good morning. You just here staring at me, staring at a screen. It's kind of weird. That was sarcasm, by the way. Easy Crunch lurker. I've offended people calling people lurkers, by the way. I'm offensive. I am such an offensive man. For this week, I downsized futures account and accumulated some spot instead. Nice. Susan. We love you, Susan. Thank you for being here. I bought 85K Bitcoin. Okay. I didn't. Discord's lit as fuck. Thank you. You made me swear there. See? I bought Venezuelan crude futures. Oh, God. I shorted 126. Yeah. I mean, that's a good short. I shorted right here. Right here and right here. I made a lot of money on this. November paid my taxes. Let's say that. November paid my taxes. Oh, man. I got receipts if you want to see. If you really, really want to see, I'll show you mine. You show me yours kind of deal. You want to learn from people who have to pay trading taxes at the end of the year. That's going to be my new saying here. Is that you want people who are trading well enough to pay extreme amount of taxes. Oh, man. Chantel, good morning. Great to see you. D-Jeep, Cal. Happy New Year, everybody. If I haven't said Happy New Year, God bless you. Thank you for being here. I do appreciate you guys being here and supporting the channel. I missed y'all, you know. Irish Kate, good to see you as well. I think I got to sort you out for your membership, Irish Kate. I'll try to get to that today. God bless. Toddy, JR, Suzanne and Floss here. I meant to pin this. Good morning, mind mates. Oh, my God. What do you guys do this weekend? Touch some grass, touch some ass, whatever you're into. That's awesome, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up, man. It's important to refresh. Emotional traps, bias traps, revenge trading, risk management. Every time I see myself drifting away from intelligence. I'm grateful that you're in the Discord there. Suiello. Suielio? I wish I said your name right, bro. You gotta do like a voice recording and something and send it to me so I can call you correctly. I hate butchering people's names, but I'm not the teacher. You know when the supply teacher comes in and he calls that guy Geoff instead of Jeff? Al Jr., God bless, bro. Rotating down here, a little bit of a flag. Rotation into here. Golden pocket down below. Little mitigation of the low. Rotation down into here. We'll see how the price behaves in this area here. We have continuation here, right? So we have bull divs, break a structure, retest continuation out. Now we're looking for higher low continuation this way. Mitigation of the highs. So can this uptrend continue, or are we going to come back down and cause some pain, right? No trade in here. This, to me, the topping structure here was quite shite, in my opinion. So, not really interested right now. We do have VWAP in here. But our rotation says we're coming down to 91.5. So if we're going to previous days, this is where we're looking to go. Generally. Just generally. Yeah, and that would be the retest of these highs in here. So if we're going to rotate, we're coming down to 91.5, then that's where we would like a macro kind of bottoming structure for potential long. That would be where I'd be looking for the giga long if we're looking for continuation out. We can take longs in here. However, it's very quick, guys. If we're taking longs up here, it's scalp longs. It's very intentional because we are very overextended to the upside. So understand that coming into this, right? It's not for you to feel FOMO at the highs. Where you can top blast in bullish momentum. So when you have bullish momentum, you can top blast all you want. It's just your intention of your trade, right? If you don't understand intention, whether it's a scalp, whether it's a swing trade, well then watch the damn short on it. I think Gio commented on one of them. He said intention. Didn't you, Gio? Let me find it, because I think it's important. Because you must, before you enter the trade, is it a swing? Is it a scalp? Is it a, right? If you don't understand that, you're gonna end up broke, man. Very quickly. Very quickly. Very quickly. So you gotta be where I know you commented intention, Gio. You got me now. All right. I do appreciate you guys being here. How many people we got here? Do people still show up to the show? Holy shite. Guys, come on. It's 260 people in here and 71 likes. I guess we've been doing something, right? Showing the trades, taking the trades, helping you guys navigate these charts. I'm just trying to catch up with the audience, Al Jr. with the 5. God bless you, bro. Spaghetti Regretti. I like the name. Lurker. Wolverine Lurker. 1300 Lurker. Flokies. Angels. I think I know you, bro. Good morning. Is that Chris Klein? Jason Cope. Lurker. 100% best Discord. You can swear here. It's not Billy Goat Tales. Say please. Marion, good to see you. Trader Gio, hit the like, noobs. Got bull divs. Gio, are you going to start live streaming in the morning or what, bro? Team Canada lost to Czech last night, man. Very disappointing. It was a good game, though. Progress forward. Hefe, Ancient Swines, good morning. Cool. How we all doing? Monkey. I mean, I'm happy to be up $8,000 to start the year. $8,000 in 5 days? Come on, guys. We're doing all right. I started this account at $60,000 to start the year. Okay? We can track the progress if you guys want, okay? 60,000, we're at 68,654. We've rotated money off. We've paid ourselves. We're going to be paying a lot of taxes, but that's your job. You should be grateful to pay taxes. So we're doing all right. I'll show you my last 5 trades. You can show me yours. I've been just scalping, guys. I just been scalping. Quick little in and outies, intentional scalping. You can see green, green, green machine, baby. Woo, woo, woo. Just a nice little, there's a minus $28. What are we going to do about it? Oh my God. What we're going to do? Okay, little scalps in and out. Quick in and out like a good boy scout, as they say. But I show you the trades. I take the trades. And hopefully help you navigate this morning, because every morning is a bit of a gong show unless you know what you're doing. But even sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing, right? Sometimes my bias gets in the way, right? So if I need to be objective every day, and it's hard. Trading ain't easy, but hopefully together as a community, that's the whole point of community is, us against the world kind of deal. So thank you for being here. Mark Dutch, God bless you. Thank you for the 10, man. We got YOLO, Lurker, Spy Lurker, Antonio Lurker. I don't use OI. I use a different one. Okay. Doggy Dog. Atch. Paul. Ayo. Lurker. Eugene Lurker. North. Guys, just say good morning, man. You're Lurker. Let's see some lurkers in the chat for all the lurkers. Thank you for the 10. Thank you for all the membership giveaways, guys. God bless you guys. Rotation down right now, coming into VWAP for a potential slap. Golden pocket, double confluence here. I want to see a reaction off of this first. I do not want to take initial slap because we have broken here. Because we have this. And we break here. We close below here. Retest back in. This is not something that you intentionally just take the slap for the bounce. Okay, I would like to see this react and go. Hi, beautiful. Oh, my wife came in. That's distracting. Damn, my wife's gorgeous, man. You guys have no idea, and you shouldn't. My wife is so pretty. I don't even know. If there's punching, it's like you know when the big guy is holding the short guy and he can't reach. That's how high I'm punching, man. Thank God my son looks like my wife too. I'm quite the offensive bloke. Gio is wanking, but still engaging because I'm a good friend. Let's go on the wanking chariot. That's all right, man. That's why we have 2 monitors. I have 3. You gotta have fun, man. I mean, whatever you're into, guys. Whatever you're into. Multitasking. Multitasking. Jay Violet, good morning. Good to see you. Army Piper, good to see you as well. Thank you for being here. It's not an extreme amount of taxes if you paid your tax loss harvesting rate. Something in the red that you think is still going to go up later. Sell, rebuy, instant tax off, reset. Yes and yes. I didn't take many losses, so Piper. There wasn't any. I didn't take any altcoin losses, and I haven't taken full profits on a bunch of them either. So we'll see where it goes. We don't understand tax in the UAE. Yeah, I'm jealous. Lurkers in here. Well, thank you everybody for being here. It took me a little bit to get through all this chat. Welcome, Overcome. God bless, man. Otter gang. Let's go. I haven't seen this chat turn orange in a while. Do you want to turn it orange and put some gang signs in the chat? The only gang where you don't have to commit any crimes. You just have to click buttons with me and hang out here. So thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I know you all wanted to be in like a gang growing up. Don't even lie to me. You wanted to be like whatever, right? I'm in the, So welcome to the Otter Gang. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto show. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., scalping Bitcoin and Solana, my bihacha. Okay? Lots of fun, talking smack, clicking buttons, showing you the trades, taking the trades, preparing for the trades. We're here live every morning, so thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Happy New Year. If you haven't heard it yet, Happy New Year. First Monday of the year, False Move Monday. Can we get a little bit of a push down and then maybe a continuation? We'll see. We'll go over our bias, our ideas. We'll go into market open. We do have news data coming in at 10 a.m. ISM. So we would like to see the ISM increase, obviously for bullish catalysts. Bitcoin's on a ripper, right? A lot of people feeling the FOMO right now. When all the herd is bullish, right? And we got virtual going up 17%. We got the Pengu going up. We got the AVAX. Even Cardano is going up, man. We have, AI coins. We have meme coins going up. We have Bonk going up 30%. We have all these shite coins doing their thing, right? They're all back. They're all back, baby, right? It's our job to be objective here, okay? Up only is something that we don't generally want to chase. Look at Fet AI, man. Look at Render, okay? Lots of these things fly, man, which is good. However, However, there's always some humble pie to be served, right? Our job is to be objective, allow the humble pie to happen, maybe take a short hedge, right? And then maybe get in. Okay, we have a lot of rotation going on right now, so we should be prepared for a rotation back into retest lows, come back to grab liquidity. Okay, a lot of people aren't prepared, but we try to be as prepared as possible. Sweet. Okay, and our job as traders is to come to these charts and be objective. Okay, it's not to be a sheep. We must think like the market makers as best as possible and then try to participate safely and take some money out of the market. So where are we at? What are we looking at? How are we looking to trade this? What is going on? So really, it's quite simple. We got Gandalf here. Okay, Gandalf is up top. And he's saying, you shall not pass, right? We got him with his big-ass stick here. We got Gandalf up here with his big-ass stick. You shall not pass, right? We have a lot of resistance coming into here. However, everybody's looking here. Everybody's also looking at 98,000 when we go swing high to swing low. Okay, we got 98,000. When we pull volume across this whole thing right in here, we got point of control. Okay, when we pull VWAP, anchored VWAP, we got that as well. Okay, so we got a whole plethora from the top, I believe. Yeah, a whole plethora of things up here. We also have something that you should be very aware of is a 50% mark. So the 50% mark is actually significant when it comes to the yearly. Okay, so our yearly would be here, and our 50% mark is up at 103. Remember the number 103. Okay, if we flip 103, we're pretty good to go. However, right now we have a little bit of a situation. You know, like the Jersey Shore guy. You know, Jim Tan Laundry. You know, I don't know. I'm Italian. I have to know these things. So, what do we have here? Liquidity. Bullish move. Strong low. Why is this a strong low? Well, we discussed this a lot in the Discord, but this is one of the few times where volume has been significant in a low. Okay, it's one of the best volumes in, I believe, a daily candle throughout the history. You can see the volume in here. Okay, so we talked about how this low shows strength, right? So this is bullish for Mr. Geo and his super giga long. Does that mean we can't Wyckoff this thing? Because everybody looking at the Wyckoff now, right? We talked about Wyckoff back in here. But that's typically, this would be your Wyckoff. You would have your 2 up here, your 2 down here. You would have a rally up into the highs. You would sweep the highs here. And then you would come back down and come for the low. Then you would spring, okay? And then you go, okay? That would be your Wyckoff accumulation model, whatever. Yes, we're aware of that, okay? We're very aware of that. We're very aware of the uptrending momentum, ascending triangle. However, one thing we have to be aware of is we are in a downtrend, right? Everybody with their 200 moving average, wherever that is, their 50 moving average, wherever that is, okay? Not really concerned, okay? If this, then that. We look at structure. We look at liquidity, price action, and volume to kind of figure it out. We don't need to go too deep into those things today, however. So what are we looking for? Sweep of the high, retest to previous highs, sweep of the lows. Keep it simple, okay? You don't have to be a rocket scientist to trade, okay? Some people are way too smart to trade. Some people are way too dumb to trade. Try to be in the middle, okay? Right? You want to be kind of like, who's that guy? You see my baseball? Who's that guy? Have you seen my baseball? Who's that guy? What's that movie? Have you seen my baseball? Imagine putting... Have you seen my baseball? Imagine putting this in a movie in 2025. You'd be a racist. Nothing better than 90s and 2000 movies. You got to be right there, guys. That's right about where you got to be. Something about Mary, right? You got to be right there. You know, the guy with the binoculars, and he zooms in and he sees grandma's knockers, right? Warren sees grandma's knockers. He's got the vacuum cleaner out. Too far, probably, right? Is that too far, or is that like just right there? I think that's pretty accurate. So, if this, then that, we're prepared. If you're looking at market cipher, I mean, market cipher, very simple. Anchor trigger wave, right? Anchor trigger wave, money flow coming in. This is like basic market cipher strategy. 2-day, pushing out. You had a good warning here from your stochastics flipping green. Okay, so that's good. Watch this trigger wave, though, right? 12 hours, same deal. Overextended, everything overextended in market cipher. But that's the thing with oscillators. Oscillators have extremes, guys. So you have 100 and you have 100. So this thing can stay up here for all days, happy days, okay? So be aware of that. Okay? Overextended. However, this is momentum. It's strong momentum, right? And you've reset on VWAP. You're looking for a bounce, right? You go into 4, 3, and 2, and 1, and we look at this. We can see the pig nipples, but this is more like a stegosaurus back, right? So this is just higher highs, higher lows, continuation up, right? Strength. So you're looking to buy VWAP posturing, in my opinion. You look for this, and you look for possibly this, right? And that's where you long. Look, wee. Okay, very simple. All right, but overextended. 3, overextended. 2, overextended. 1 hour is where it is. Okay, so where are we at with the 1 hour? This is where we're looking for a reset of VWAP coming into today, probably 11 o'clock, looking for a pump, which would play pretty well with our news. Okay. However, a little bit of a anchor trigger wave up at the top here. Everybody's saying double top, whatever. We had a sell wall up here. We still do. Okay, this is a nice little sweep in here. We get VWAP slap right now. Like I said, I don't want to take this right away. I'm going to regret it now, but that's okay. Regret it. Yeah, I'll probably regret it, but I'll be all right with that. A little bit of patience here, guys. This is just, like I said, right? We're anchor trigger, pretty ugly top, but like break here, rotation down, slap. So I need to see some sort of in here, okay? Before I put on too much risk coming into market open. First Monday, guys. You don't want to get false move Monday, guys. And I'm aware as well that Mondays are, I don't know. Mondays have been my worst trading day. I've been doing good, like live stream. It's like Mondays after dark, you know. It's like the Mondays after trading. Tuesdays can be a little sketchy for me too. End of the week, I'm pretty solid when looking at like back my results after this year. Everybody do a reflection on how their trading went this year. It's very important. How is your trading? What are your statistics? You guys know your statistics. That's the other question. Do you have a journal? I bet you none of you have a journal. Put a 1 in the chat if you have a trading journal, or if you look at your statistics, if you document your moves, you have a playbook. Do you have a playbook? This pattern here, if this comes here, I hand out playbooks in the Discord. I give you guys lessons. I show you how to implement strategy. Okay. I give you everything that I use. That's me. Okay. That's me. I'll show you my scalping strategies, my reversal strategies. What's going on? Randy Hipper's in the chat. God bless you. A lot of sus looking here today. Looks sus, Band-Aid. What's sus? Suspicious. Is that suspicious? Am I too old for sus? Like, subscribe, pig nipples. Yeah. The pig nipples, man. The pig nipples are great. If you know how to trade them. Frank and Beans? Does today's PMI news have any effect, Alex? Of course. Yeah, of course. It's 10 o'clock. PMI is very important. God bless Marion. Hopefully you're doing well. I'm translating your video. See, Marion's putting in the work. That's awesome. I think there's... Piper, is there a way to get your YouTube videos translated? I might be able to do that for you, Marion, pretty easily. I think there's an option to click. I'm not sure, but Piper might know. So I can convert them for you. I love the situation. Let's go. I was always a Pauly D fan. Pauly D and Ronnie. See why we didn't take that long, guys? Not worth it. An aggressive move through VWAP. It's typically bearish, this move, but we'll see if we can flip and recover. Rebel Moon, did you just say that in my chat, man? You asked for it, bro. You know better. If you know better, you getting 10 seconds, Rebel. I'm sorry, man. You said CME in my chat. What? You said CME in my chat? Whew, Solana, baby. There's that momentum break. This is good. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Let's go. Let's go dump it, baby. I'm objective today. I feel very good today. I don't know why. Maybe that's something that I should probably go and check myself before I wreck myself. I don't know. There's something about today. It just feels good. I had a 12-minute order block in here. Where did that go? Did I delete it? I think I deleted it. Slap and go here. Whew, Solana, baby. No man's land. Coming down, sweeping these lows on Solana. We still have this. Yeah, this would be our low here. We've swept this. Trying to push back. Bitcoin trying to push back as well. Reclaim a VWAP. Pretty aggressive rollover here. Like to see how we bounce out of here. Higher lows intact. Trying to come back for it. No trade here. Still waiting. Nice push on Soy Boy Lana. What do we got here? Push out, 5 minute. Let's go down to the 1 minute here. What's CVD doing? Buyer stepping up. Yep. Buyer stepping up also. Trying to push. Pretty strong sell wall. I think buyers are still stepping up here, though. This looks good. What do we got here? Aggressive move through VWAP, dumping. Economic calendar, ISM today, guys. Manufacturing. We want this above 50. No, Piper? We want this above 50. We want to see strengths for ISM. I'm sure Piper will break it down. It's OG Monday, so we'll send you over to the Piper Academy today after the stream. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got a bunch of shorts in here. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out with me. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Coming into market open here. It is quarter to 9. I always got to adjust because this is Eastern Standard Time in here. And then my time, I'm 2 hours behind. I'm in the mountains, baby. I'm in the mountains. You see my baseball? Mountain time is the best time. Fresh OG polo. Let's go, Piper. God bless, man. Bitcoin's due for a pullback? Yeah. Yes and no. Remember, like, I think like 10 times, what is it, 8, 10 times out of the year, Bitcoin doesn't care, right? You try to catch those Bitcoin doesn't care moments. That's where you make. Same on the way down. Bitcoin doesn't care, right? That's me shorting in November. That's where I made my most of my money last year. You know, I was probably up, maybe 80K in total coming into November, right? And that's a grind, right? And that's a grind, but then you have one good month, guys. It changes everything. One good month. But it's also being able to have bias and being objective. It's been a hard trading year for a lot of people. So this year, hopefully we can help people, navigate that a little bit better. Solana flaccid, man, rolling over here. The coffee's really good today. Really good. That was an easy short, man. I missed that one. I definitely missed that one, guys. Anybody trade Ethereum anymore? Look at the prices, guys. Look at how it moves. It's so like it's just bad. It's just bad. Like, this is maybe swing trading, but this is not scalping material, man. When you see too many candles like this, it's not something. Look at the movement of this. It's sketchy as ever, man. I'm doing so good at not swearing right now. I'm proud of myself. Is that okay to be proud of myself on my own stream? It's kind of weird. Nasdaq's trying to push here. Flagging out. Render, man. Good job, Render. Thank you. ES likes this oil news. What is your take on the oil news there, Piper? I'm interested. Are you going to talk about oil today too? Everybody talking about oil. Look at that. Recovering the box. All right. Everybody talking about oil. I mean, I'm in Canada. We got oil. So we happy about that. But we going to be broke now that US has cheaper oil. Canada's just going down the drain, baby. Down the drain. Why would anyone care if you use colorful language? I mean, they use colorful flags, right? That's why. Is that too far? Turn the volume up. I can turn it up for you. Here you go. Oh, I'm clipping now. My God, I can't do the Barry White. Is that better? Is that better? Is that too loud now? I don't want to be. Yeah, see, I'm clipping now. I don't want to be clipping. Wick's wife, fine 89. Good to see you, wifey. How you doing? God bless you. Thank you for always being here. Harp, good to see you as well. Band-Aid. Wick's wife, fine 89. A little bleed out here, but not. I mean, view up, retest, continuation down, coming for the liquidity. It would look something like this, but like I said, we're looking to come to these pivot points down here. I'm going to regret not taking this, but this has come down pretty aggressive, though, so we could see a little bit of a and then come down. And it's very slow. Like, this is not something I'm really interested in. The volume here is choppy, slow. Solana. Oof. Solana trying to bottom out here. buyers are stepping up here for Bitcoin and for Solana. Solana looks like it might push here. We might get a push up to 134.2. Okay, 134.2. Trying to go. Trying to push into here. After you see this on Solana, you don't touch it though. Remember, when I teach Solana, and you guys should all watch the Solana trading video in the must section in the Discord. If you go over here, you can find Solana, how to trade Solana, and how I do it. Because I mean, I make a lot of my money on Solana. Man, there's so much good stuff in here, man. Whew. But it's a chop and pop product, right? So if you don't know how to trade the chop and pop, you're going to end up broke, right? So you got chop and pop, chop, pop, right? Chop, pop, chop, pop. Okay, if you don't know how to trade the chop pop, you're going to end up broke because it'll wreck you. If you get direction wrong on Solana, it'll absolutely wreck you. If you learn how to trade the chop and pop, you can make lots of moolah. However, it's requires some patience is the key, because you're sitting here from 7:42 to 8:18. That is a half hour of flat. So if you've entered here, you're gonna overthink your trade by the time you're halfway through this, right? Even if you're short here, you're going to be chopped out, okay? Because you don't understand how it moves. If you understand how an asset moves, that's why I always recommend someone to learn Bitcoin and something else that's not in below the top 50 market cap, right? SUI, whatever. Hype, whatever. Just learn something else. Use Bitcoin as confluence. You don't need to be trading every single shitcoin in the world. That's what I'm getting at. You're not going to be... You want to build a relationship with the asset. If you like range trading, go and look at Link. Go and look at XRP. Great range trading tokens. Okay? If you like momentum, breakout trades, Solana is a great option. If you like getting front ran and rugged and chopped up, go and trade ETH. I highly suggest. If you like chopped up, front ran, no respect on the TA, ETH is your token. Okay? Vitalik Buterin just hitting it with his mushroom slapper over and over again. Okay? But learn them, right? Develop a relationship with your tokens. Understand how they move, why they move, where they move. You need to have an edge, okay? Not edging Mark Dutch, but an edge in this market, right? In order to survive and be profitable over time. If you don't develop that edge, you're going to end up broke. I like this candle here on Bitcoin. Solana looks better. CVD coming in. Buyers stepping up on Solana. Interesting. That would look something like this. Very tight, though. Very tight. Up to 132. TP1. TP2. That's what it would look like. I'm not taking it because of the downtrending momentum, but buyers stepping up for Bitcoin here. Solana looks overextended. I'm hesitant because of the way price action's moving right now. It's quite slow and choppy. There's volume, like it's moving up and down, but it's not getting anywhere. Yeah, see? It's not... I knew Monday was going to be an interesting, especially with this oil thing going on, coming into market open, then manufacturing. Like, it's quite a double header today. A little bit of patience is required, in my opinion. Thank you for being here. I've asked you guys to hit the like button once today. There's 390 people in here, only 134 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing up those like buttons, I'm very grateful for that. It does help the channel. We're trying to grow the channel, growers and showers, all that fun stuff. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing and hanging out, we're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Best Discord in crypto. Last day for the promo, $10 off. Back to that $88. So thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. What up, T. Williams? Good to see you, man. Good to see a guy. Pump the legs. Let's go, Randy. Hopefully you're doing well. How was your weekend? Pina coladas, getting lost in the rain. Edging is for Mark Dutch, yeah. Good morning from Colorado. Awesome, man. Your abs are doing pretty good, man. I told you guys. I told you. Soilana. What was the trade setup? It was this, right? Anybody take the long on Solana? I'm not going to be the I told you so guy this year. I promise I won't. Yeah, it's sketchy right now, guys. This is first Monday. 400 people in here. So just generally on Bitcoin here, we have come into the VWAP. We have reclaimed it, looking to push out, rotation back up into 97.8, 92.8, right into here. Continuation, nice pushback. Breakdown though. So a breakdown this morning, losing this momentum. I mean, you could pull this all the way back here, right? We're just breaking down right now on this momentum, retest continuation, consolidation up at the highs, bearish divergence, 3 drives. I would like to see some sort of fake out beforehand if we're going to rotate down. Bitcoin channeling, right? Holding VWAP, holding the higher lows in here on a higher term time frame. So if we're looking at this, still got good continuation up here. So it's not something I'm typically looking to short just yet. See if we lose this low or if we come back up. If we do this, this is where we short. Back into the range, we short here. Otherwise, we look for a rotation back into these highs, and then we look for longs down here. Pretty much in the middle here. We can diddle in the middle. You just got to be confident here. We have a trigger wave forming here on the 12-minute, 24-minute trying to push out. Anchor down, but VWAP's rotating back up with green money flow, trying to push out of our golden pocket 786 box. Just a continuation here. This candle concerns me here, though. This is pretty aggressive. Yeah, pretty aggressive. So double bottom clipping. So clipping here. So when we clip here, now I'm interested in SFP. That's the best trade, really, if we're looking to diddle in the middle here. So we're looking for the SFP of the low here, reclaim a VWAP, and continuation out. Nice hold here. We got a hanging man engulfing candle here on the 5-minute. Not something I've back tested. I hanging man engulfing candle here on the 3-minute, something I do, but it's not at the bottom. So look for rotation back up into the imbalance, which would be in here. So looking for rotation into here. And then let's see how we get on. Still got 30 minutes till market opens. Solana still struggling. Higher term time frames, 1 hour is resetting. So if we're looking at market cipher, we got anchor trigger here resetting here. VWAP's trying to push back in, which is good. Money flow remains thick and green, which is a good sign as well. So we want to see how price behaves down here at the 0 line. If VWAP wants to posture upwards. Okay, the 2, the 3, the 4, they're all overextended, right? Overbought to the max. You can see 3 drives. You can see the price action 3 drives all the way up here. So for me right now, we understand that we're overextended, but we also know that Bitcoin doesn't care sometimes. We understand where our liquidity is up at the highs here. We are in a sell wall right now. The best we would be looking for is that rotation back down. I do like the blue trend line momentum lower here. However, this thing doesn't really care. If we're gonna have escape velocity, it's gotta have some oomph in it, right? Otherwise, clear liquidity, right? So if this and that, I mean, nice weekly candle close, even better 2-day 3 white soldiers on the way up here, 3-day bullish engulfing. Yeah, 3-day looks really good, 2-day looks really good. So we shall see if this then that. Retest to previous lows. Probably a little push into here for Solana. Sweep bounce, yeah. Pretty much in the middle here. I think it's time to get some more coffee. I think it's time for more coffee. No trade right now. Rashad, Lasers, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Lunar Beaches, what's going on, man? Gotta run. Take care, MTC. MTC in a place to be. Another streamer named Andy shouted you out. I was surprised. Love Andy, man. Bitcoin census. Andy's a good man. He's a very good Elliott wave theorist. Look at that push, man. We should have taken the Solana along. AlexOCrypto being a nambe-pambe. Andy's live right now. Look at this guy. If you aren't subscribed, I'm streaming. You streaming. God bless, bro. Bitcoin census, man. He's a great trader, man. I'm trying to learn a little bit of swing trading from him. He does well, though. A wave A. I don't know what a B, A, B, C. I can count to A. I can do A, B, C. But 1, 2, 3 in the place to be. Great guy, though. Love that guy. I know bullshit. Good trader. I mean, they're rare. They're hard to find in this crypto world, I tell you. They're hard to find. Rare like Mr. Clean with hair. I'm kind of upset I didn't take the long, guys. Not gonna lie. Did you guys take the long? Put a 1 in the chat. I mean, it's all there. It's all there. I'm just being a little bit of a chicken shit, really. What's going on, Wick? 589. God bless. Tally ho. Tally ho. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for the 5, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Why you flopping and groping, sir? Yeah, I'm a little bit of a little magic carp right now. Splashing, bro. I'm seeing it, but I'm not taking the trade. Yeah, a little bit of a namby-pamby here. That's all right. Now you guys are going to entice me to trade. You're not going to win. I'm going to go and get some coffee, guys. Maybe I need more caffeine. I don't know what it is. You guys enjoy the track. Like, subscribe. My son just got, like, honestly, the best breakfast in the world. Why am I here? I should let my wife make me breakfast. My wife just made my son. He's got parfait, so he's got yogurt, blueberries, granola, homemade granola. Then he's got homemade bread. My wife makes her own sourdough bread with avocado on it. Then eggs. And what else? My God. It's a masterpiece. And I'm in here clicking buttons, drinking coffee. So that they can do that. You know? That's literally the flex. Solana rugged everybody. Look at Solana. What a dirty girl, man. Oh, what a dirty girl. Dirty girl, man. Holy. Okay. Solana's being a dirty girl. Bitcoin pushing into market open. No, that's weird. Okay, we got a little bit of a conflicting here. Damn. That's concerning. That was a snap too, man. Holy smokes. Okay. Yeah, this is sketchy price action. Guys, I'm not being scared. I'm just saying this is pretty sketchy, man. And if you are new here, welcome. Welcome to the AlexOCrypto Show. Thank you for being here. The last day for the code ZUZAMINFLOSS to get $10 off the Discord. I mean, the Discord's spoon feeding on a daily basis. You get live sessions, live lessons. You get live TA. We've added live scalping, guys. You guys get to you guys get to trade with me with no delay. Oh my God. It's never financial advice. You risk whatever the hell you want. All right. Look at the schedule we got here, guys. Okay. Not only do you got 8 traders, you got live trading, then Brewberry's live, then my live teaching, you got Scalp with Alex, you got Wave Ciphers live, Asia updates, you got it's so packed you don't even know what to do with yourself. You get signals. Look at the signals, guys, man. We got 1, 2, we got 3 signals, people. I mean, whew, my God, do you guys need anything more? You got analysis, you get TA from Kyle, live streams from Kyle, live streams from Brewberry, Bitcoin setups, Bitcoin analysis, updates, you name it, CVO, trades, analysis, long-term setups. Look at the trades, man. This is insane, man. Insane. Closing the trade from entry from 2,700 on ETH. Like, my goodness gracious. I don't even need to be a salesman to sell this. It's so good. I mean, even the Discord just says, you know, the Discord people will tell you. That's all I got to say. Is that enough? Is that enough? I think so. I mean, there's other Discords. You can join their Discords. But the best thing I think about our Discord is people are actually trading. Discord. Traders helping traders. Maybe a Band-Aid. My brother, what's going on, man? God bless you. Thank you for the 10. King Salaman, what's going on, bro? Good to see you. Marion, good to see you as well. Fanny, we like a good Fanny. The funny thing is, a Fanny in the UK is a vajayjay, and a Fanny in North America is a butt. Interesting facts, guys. Did you guys know that? John Newton, good to see you. Lasers, good to see you as well. Alex, good name, but I think you're a lurker. LJ, good to see you. Cuban, good to see you. M2, lurker. Flipped, lurker. Isn't that weird how Fanny can be used for 2 inappropriate things in 2 different places? Solana looks bad, man. Whew, look at that. Look at that. Nas pushing this morning, guys. So expecting a gap up for the SPY. We got 15 minutes till market opens. Bitcoin chopping, Solana dropping. Contrarian. We got downwards momentum here coming through, trying to break out. Failed breakout. Retest, continuation up. Trying to roll up. A little bit overextended. Like I said, what we're looking for is this down here. This up here. Okay. This right here. Okay, so a couple of ideas, but really just letting it chop. Monday, coming into news at 10. Venezuelan oil. You know, there's a... Welcome to January. It's just a crapshoot, right? Hidden bull divs on 12-minute. I don't like hidden bull divs too much, guys. I'm not a big hidden bull div kind of guy. If anybody's telling you to trade based off of hidden bullish divergence, I think you shouldn't listen to them. If that's solely what they're telling you to trade off of. That's just my opinion. They're really trying to do the TA too much. They're over analyzing, in my opinion. If you're trying to draw... Okay, it's a little bit different on like I would say a 12-hour time frame and up. It's a little bit different. However, if you're going hidden bullish divergence, like that shouldn't be the reason why you're entering along here. Just saying. They're probably losing money and using your exchange fees to make money. That's probably what they're doing. Ask anybody in here. I don't ask you to sign up on my live stream to my exchange. I don't do it. I have sponsors, Bitunix. I have BYDFI. I don't come on here and blast you with my exchange. I don't need your trading money. You can support the channel if you want to sign up under it. It's totally up to you. This is never financial advice, but I do not need your commission fees. Okay, a lot of people need you to trade underneath their trading to make money. Alex, please deploy infinite capital and pump this. That's it. I see Geo, he doesn't do it either. He uses KSEX. I mean, he's not going to make money off of there's zero fees on KSEX or whatever, right? So, I mean, you want me to go gig along, Geo? Right now, so I've been watching Solana closely for you, bro. I told you when we were up here that we needed to come to 129 in order to continue. That was during your live stream here. Guess what? We came to 129. We continued. Right now, this is your imbalance in my opinion. So if this block and this imbalance can hold, you're good. You're Gucci. Okay. If you start to lose this and you don't do anything like this, I'd be considering 130. So 130 is going to be a critical volume support level for you, brother. So that's something I would be watching. If you lose 130, you're coming in 124. So that's where I would be making major decisions on whether to take out half or not. Okay. You hit my critical resistance at 136, bro. I mean, you could have taken some off here, but I mean, I love that. I know that you're in from here, right? I took the same trade as you. You're in from here? I took the exact same trade. I just didn't hold it. It was that SFP in here somewhere, I think. Or was it this one? It was one of these. I took the exact same one. I think it might have been this one. I closed mine here. You've held. Good job, bro, man. So proud of you. That's fucking sick. Everybody should be subscribing to Trader Geo. Traders helping traders. But yeah, I think your make or break is 130. I would like to see a bounce here for more macro. This is normal Solana behavior though. It's just sweeping lows, right? It's sweeping lows right now. We have some good bottoming structure coming into market open. It's going to be an interesting market open. You're probably stressed as fuck right now coming into market open because you want to see this. Yeah. Got anchor trigger trying to push. Yeah. Let's see, man. Let's see. If this and that, I know it can be emotional coming through those with those big position sizes. I'm going through it too, man. 1 million position sizes recently for me. It's been nice, but the losses hurt, man. Like when you're taking a $2,000 kick in the nuts, it's not fun. When you make 10 grand in a trade, of course it's fun, man. But when you take a 2,000 kick in the nuts, it's not that great. But it's the same trade. You got to tell yourself it's the same damn trade, right? I mean, it's the same damn trade. Not easy, but that's the game we're playing. Coming into market open. Bitcoin quite flat here. I don't like this candle right now. We'll see if we want to continue. Every exchange is scam. Yeah. I mean, I get slippage, especially when you're trading size, like 1 million position size. Slippage on a Solana like stop loss can be $1,000 extra. So if you have a $2,000 stop, sometimes you're paying $3,000 to get stopped out. It's crazy. It's crazy. I swore, bro. Yeah, that. Oops. The whole gang is here. Yeah, man. You guys are incredible, man. Thank you guys for being here. I hit break even the other day, lost 400. Yeah. That's it, man. It's same. Like you can pay more for like an exact stop loss, but it's like it still doesn't work properly on every exchange. Right? Like I'll get stopped out, but my fees, like it's nasty, man. It's nasty, especially when you're trading size. Like it's all fine and dandy. You got like 100K position size and doing something like that. You get stopped out, you lose an extra $50. You got 1 million position size, you lose an extra 1,000, right? So it's the game we play, right? Like your break even, like if you're taking along, your break even has to be like at least like up here. So your break even has to be like at least like 0.25% into profits. It's ridiculous. Especially if you're scalping like I do, like it's pretty violent. And then if you get a candle like this, so if you're, let's say I was long here. Let's say I was long here, like we were talking about. I was long here. My stop was just here or whatever, right below this candle here. This would slip me out like at least $1,000. It's so disgusting. Like this would slip me out so bad. Like a candle like this totally slips you out. Doesn't matter what you do. It's painful, but that's what we have come to learn to deal with, right? Even this, like you long here, whatever, and you get stopped out here, this slips you out bad too. Any aggressive wick down, man. That's why it's a little bit more riskier trading other things than Bitcoin, because you're going to have those violent moves. You even get them on Bitcoin, but there's a little bit more liquidity in Bitcoin that you actually do get stopped at a little bit better. But fees are higher, right? Fees are higher on Bitcoin. So pick your poison, right? This is the game we play. We got 7 minutes till market open. What's going on, Squid? Good to see you. What's going on? RS Miller's in the chat. Let's see some pooches for RS Miller. Good to see you, man. How you doing? Rashad, good morning. JR, good morning. Good morning, Sunaran. Good morning, man. Good to see you, T. Williams. We got the whole animal farm here, JR. There's that scam wick again. Jeez. What's going on with Solana this morning? I'm not touching Solana this morning. There's no way. What is that? That's a nice bull div. But what the actual is this, man? That is filthy. Buyers stepping up here heavy for Solana. Buyers are stepping up for Solana here big time. Interesting. You got 5 minutes till market opens. Big buy wall here. Trying to push up, but Solana to 130 if it loses this, I think. ISM down at 48.2. So we'd like to see this come up today. We got news. Forecast is 48.3. Consensus is 48.3. Forecast is 48. So anything above 48, in my opinion, is not terrible. We would like to see it come in higher, which would be a bullish push. But who knows? We'll see. Yeah, this is ugly. Very ugly price action. Bitcoin holding its own here. We can see some altcoins are pretty down today, actually. Like Fartcoin down 6%. HBAR, IMX, everything's down about 1.5% here for altcoins. Obviously, everything just had a nice push over the weekend, so maybe a Monday dump, false move, and then continuation for the rest of the week. We got a lot of news data coming in. AI is doing well. Render, FET, Tau, all doing pretty well. But yeah, it's very clear on how Bitcoin reacts in here. This is Gandalf. Gandalf lives here. So if this then that, I wouldn't be surprised if we retest back down to our previous pivots down here in 93 or 91.5. I wouldn't be surprised. If this and that, though. If this and that. Thank you, everybody, for being here, subscribing, hanging out. God bless you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys being here. Hey, what was your best moment of 2025? 2020. I think 2025 best moment. We got 4 minutes. November was a big turning point for me. I reached out to like Geo and a lot of friends on like what to do with the community. Yeah, so like I did the website in November. I changed the Discord format. I added a trader. I think I added FJ as well. And I mean, I shorted here and I shorted here. And I had the best trading month of my life. So, I mean, this financially was really good for me. I sold Bitcoin here and here. Pretty good sells, in my opinion. Okay. I got receipts if you want to see it. I think the community, the way we've grown, and, you know, I think I've helped a lot of people this year, last year too. Yeah, it's hard to pinpoint a lot, you know. I mean, my family, I'm so blessed with my wife and my son. So I think the experiences I've moved across the country this year, right? I moved across the damn country. I live in the mountains now. So it's been a lot. I miss my grandparents a lot. I'm going to see them in 10 days. I'm going to go fly out and see my grandparents because I miss them. So priorities, business has been good. Trading's been good. Yeah, 2025 was a big year for me, but I've done a lot of reflecting. And I think at the end of the day, it's creating more time for myself and my family. It's going to be priority. And helping everybody, you know, flip accounts and become profitable in the community. I think that's priority. But onwards and upwards, man. Onwards and upwards. I'm a mountain boy. Bro, it's so nice out here. 5% service tax too, Gio. My God, man. No kitty litters in no kitty litters in the schools for kids pretending they're cats and stuff, man. Bull div push out here for Solana. This looks good into market open, guys. See how we open here coming into market open. We got 15 seconds. NASDAQ pumping. Concerning. This is concerning for me. SPY, we're expecting a gap up. We'll see how we gap this morning. Hopefully we push above the high here, gap up, and then come back for it later. Here we go. Solana's pushing. Market is open. Ding, 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 ding. Big gap up here this morning as expected. Okay. Thank you guys for being on the live, hanging out with me. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. Happy New Year, all that good stuff. Looks like the market is pushing back here this morning. Soy boy Lana trying to push off these lows. Bitcoin pushing. All right. Watch the fake out here, guys. Remember, we are overextended to the upside here, so watch the fake out this morning. Solana trying to push out. NASDAQ coming into some critical resistance here. SPY Gap up's always concerning for me in the morning. So whenever we gap up, we should be looking for retracement continuation generally. Target above us here to come and get though. So we might continue to push here. Bitcoin, bear div, higher highs, higher lows, coming into VWAP for a slap. VWAP slap, continuation up. No trade here. Gonna let it bake a little bit. Solana, yeah, no touchy on Solana. All right, volatility coming in. ISM at 10, don't forget. So we're going to get news as well. So it's going to be a very volatile day. Sometimes it's best to just be patient and not overtrade, which is what I'm trying to do right now. It's tempting to trade, but I think I have decent self-control. If this and that. Rotation down. Exhaustion at the highs here. No trade here. Looking a little bit weak on Bitcoin. Coming into VWAP trying to hold. NASDAQ. Rotation down. Overextended to the upside. SPY continuing to hold strong. Looking good there. Looking for a potential sweep of the lows in here. Order blocks more inviting down below. But we can't see a sweep and go here. So let's just watch these lows for a potential sweep and go down here. However, we can look for VWAP reclaim as well. If we want to blast down in here and then come back and reclaim VWAP, we can push. So a little bit of patience in here. NASDAQ coming back down. Humble pieing everybody. A little bit of a rotation. Yeah, this is good. SPY, no follow through. Bitcoin rotation down. Bitcoin looking to come down here. Aggressive moves through VWAPs, typically bearish. Okay. Holding. VWAP slap. No trade here. No trade here. A little bit overextended here on market cipher. 12-minute trigger wave trying to push out. 8-minute trying to push out as well. Okay, might see some support found here. Might see it. No trade. Still waiting. NASDAQ still rotating down. SPY still failing to push. Solana, I'm not touching Solana today. It is, well, look at the candles recently, right? So it's something to be patient about. VWAP slap here looks inviting, but I'm not taking it. Hands right now. Skis in the chat, baby. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. No trades today. So far, no good. Just waiting. Trading is waiting, which is what we do most of the time. We do take, sometimes we take like 5 trades this stream. Sometimes we take 1. Sometimes we take none. Nice VWAP slap. Bull div Solana. Indecision here at the highs. SPY looking a little bit weak here. Same with the NASDAQ. So a little bit of patience here. Aggressive move through VWAP. Looks to come for the liquidity of the lows. Bitcoin does not look strong here. Just trying to hold on here. We do have buyers trying to step up here on CVD. We do have buyers trying to step up here. Same with, well, Solana's a little bit of a divergence. Big buyer stepping up here. Continuation. Solana looking to push. Yeah, just no follow through right now. No follow through. No trade. What is this here? We got barely a move here. So patience. Looks like we might be baking until ISM. I was thinking about doing the live stream a little bit longer, guys. Going to like 10:30 or something. Just cutting into everybody else's stream. What do you guys think? I don't know. You guys are probably gonna say, yeah, keep going. Alex, you said there's still a discount for the Discord. Yeah, right here. It's pinned in the comments if you do want to join. Today's the last day. Today's the last day. If you want to join, use the code Zusammenfluss. It's confluence in German, okay? Best Discord in crypto, man. 8 traders. Constant analysis. rotation down here. No trade, guys. LJ says XRP is easier to trade than Sol. Yes and no. Like I said, it's behavior, right? Maybe you're better at maybe it's better to XRP is range bound, more range bound trading, and then it pops, right? Like it pops, but it typically stays in a range. It's very similar to Link on how it trades. I can't stand XRP, but I mean, I don't care what it is, if you can trade it. If I could trade cow farts and I had a good win rate, I wouldn't care, right? The liberals are trying to capture those cow farts for carbon. Never heard of a funnier thing in my life. Aggressive move through VWAP. Good patience here, guys. I mean, they're enticing all the buyers this morning, right? Enticing all the buyers. No trade right now. Still waiting. Still waiting. We are in 0 trades. Showing you the trades, taking the trades. Join the Discord. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being here. All that fluff and the rest. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. We got 520 people in here and 212 likes. We're here live trading every morning, helping you guys navigate the charts. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate it. Aggressive moves through VWAP's typically bearish, but we do have bull divs in here. We haven't swept this low, so potential push up here, but not ready yet. Solana looks a little bit better. No trade yet. NASDAQ rolling over, but trying to find support here. SPY, same deal, just chopping sideways. All right, still digesting this morning. Retest of lows. Wick test in here. Wick test continuation down. Not interested. Not interested in the short just yet. Don't want to fight this thing. I mean, we could go swing low to swing high in here. Say, oh, golden pocket 786. Yeah. Nice pushback here. Aggressive move through VWAP. Looking strong here. Potential long opportunity. Look for a retest in here potentially. Nice sweep and go. NASDAQ looking strong. Looking strong. Aggressive move out here. See if it holds. No follow through just yet. Still waiting. Solana halfway down the candle. NASDAQ weak. Bitcoin trying to follow through here. Bitcoin following through here. Might take Solana here for a little trip. Considering a long on Solana. Bitcoin's got to continue here. Trying to push. Trying to push here. No follow through here for Solana. Trying to go. Still waiting. NASDAQ needs to bounce, not bouncing. Bitcoin's still not bouncing. Coming back up for late shorts. No trade here. Still waiting. NASDAQ. Yeah, looking weak. SPY looking weak. Consolidation, continuation. Bitcoin got a push here. Taking a stab at Solana. Let's see if we can get going here. Bitcoin looking okay. See if we can push through on Solana here. For follow through on Solana. Come on, Bitcoin, push you, Nambe Pambe. Solana, no follow through. It's kind of weird. TP1 hit. I'm going to take some off there. See if we follow through. Up 320 right now. See if we can push at least into this block up here. I'd like to see follow through here. Otherwise, it probably slapped me for $300, which is fine. I'd like to see us come up into this lower part of this block right here for Solana. First test is the best test, so let's front run it a little bit. See if we want to rotate here. I like the strength on Bitcoin. Push you, Nambe Pambe. Let's go. We got buyers stepping up as well on my other screen. You can see the buyers step up for Solana on that big CVD push. Okay. Big CVD push on Solana. Looking for rotation. Don't be a dick for a tick. Let's see if we can take this off here. Oh, nope. Doesn't want to give it to me. There we go. Nice rotation here, guys. GG's in the chat. Taking the trades, showing the trades. I think Bitcoin breaking out right now. What's Bitcoin doing? My goodness. Let's go. Hey, Gio. Gio, you holding that trade or what, bro? Let's go. GG's in the chat, everybody. Send it to Valhalla. Let's go, baby. See if we can come back up to this red line here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. We up. We up, man. Nothing can stop, man. I'm on the way up. Good little scalp. Hitting that block here. Yeah. Up 650. We'll see if we do want to continue to push. Whatever. Happy days. Bitcoin's ripping, man. Today's Bitcoin's day. Like you said, Gio. Good call. Moon it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I like it. I like it, Gio. Good job, bro. Look at that. Look at that. Push. Watch the SFP here, guys. All the people in the chat got FOMO. FOMO nomo. I'm long on Sol. Send it. Let's go, baby. Let's go 19 Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Good job, man. Hey, man. Toronto boys are coming for your liquidity, man. Good times, man. Hey, Gio, this might be the first day we're both winning, man. I love it. Good job, man. Bitcoin pushing. NASDAQ bouncing. Nice. SPY rotation up. Coming up to here. Looking good. Guys, don't get greedy up here, guys. This is not where you take the long. You have VWAP reclaim. Continuation trade here on beautiful, beautiful Bitcoin. You got the push up for Solana right now. Don't get greedy here. That's not where you get greedy. GG's in the chat. Let's fucking go, baby. Is there a super chat? I can't wait to start. If you want, let me know. I can wait to start if you want. Let me know. Hey, man, I'll let you know, brother. I think we might start going a little bit later, man. I think we might start. I mean, we might start going a little bit later. We might. Just saying. I mean, this is the best trader. I messaged you, Army Piper, the why. I messaged you the why. I think you'll agree. Bitcoin going to the moon. Start your stream a little later. I mean, I can go for hours, J Violet. No, don't repeat that to my wife. She'll say he's lying. He's lying. Oh, man. So we're taking the high right now. Nice push for Bitcoin. Let's go, baby. Solana trying to follow suit. Easy buy here, guys. Bitcoin pushing. NASDAQ bouncing. Nice CVD in this low. Bull divs continuation trade here. Oh no, we're gonna get stopped out. No, sorry guys. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you didn't take profits. I warned you about the SFP, guys. We've taken the liquidity of the high. We'll see if we want to continue to push or not. Let's see. No. No. I think we stay till 10:15. 10:15. Silence equals trade? No. No trade, guys. Look, no trade. I was answering Discord messages, guys. Was answering Discord messages. My kid is screaming in the background. Yeah, he's having a good old time, man. He's a champ. My son is amazing. He's really good at basketball already, and he's taller than me, and he's only 16 months old. J Violet's long on gold. Let's go. She loves gold. Let's go. You kind of leave us with market opening blue balls. Yeah, I'm going to stay till 10:15 from now on. Guys, did you re-enter Solana or what? You guys just sitting here? I gave you the sell wall. I gave you the long. Never financial advice. I'm just a hobbit here in Canada living in my igloo life. Taking trades, showing you the trades. Bitcoin coming back for late longs. See if it wants to continue. Looking juicy, baby. Let's go. NASDAQ chopping. Coming into news, guys. News in 10 minutes. We'll stay till 10:15 from now on. I think that's the key. The key to longevity in this crypto world. Then we'll send you to Army Piper, who will fill you in on all the news. He'll fill you. That's with a PH. Who's of the generation where PH was pretty hot? Fat farm. Put a 1 in the chat if you're a fat farm child. Family is everything. Yeah, it is, man. You have a bad trading day, you hang out with your son. Sounded like the youngling got stopped there too. Jimbo, what's going on, man? God bless. Hopefully you guys are doing well, man. I haven't been able to drop over to your guys' stream recently. I apologize for that. And Piper will start at 10:15 for crossover. That's perfect, man. Render's climbing. I mean, I hold a big old bag of render. Baby Otter didn't like the stop out. 1 AF. 2, what's that? Fat Farm, man. Fat Farm. Fat Farm was like a clothing brand. So it's like G-Unit. Fat Farm, there was like G-Unit clothes. There was like, it had the P with the leaves beside it. Yeah. 90s kids, man. 50 Cent, Eminem. Fat Farm, G-Unit. Like this, man, with the baggy jeans, the Fat Farm jeans, extra low pockets hanging below your ass. This was my generation. I used to wear 34 jeans, and I wear 28 as an adult. All right? You had the Fat Farm. You had the, what were those? XCO pants with the dog. It had a dog on it. Yeah. It had the dog on it. XCO jeans. Look at that. Oh, man. The good old days, man. The good old days. This was life. Fubu. What about Bufu? Buy us a fuck you. Let's go, baby. Look at this push, man. GG's on your trade, guys. I did not re-enter. I should have re-entered. I was too busy. I'm enjoying hanging out with you guys. Literally. We're going to go late today, though. We got news coming at us pretty hard. Hot and ready, fast and quick, whatever you're into. We'll see here, taking the trades, showing you the trades. Put a 1 in the chat if you are long and strong. If you're short, you're probably in trouble right now. You might be looking for this SFP short, but be very cautious with the shorts, guys. GG's. LRG type guy, yeah. I need money. And I was like, shit, me too. Had so many fake FUBU jerseys. Yeah, man. You know, the poor kids had XCO and the rich kids had Echo, right? So either you wore the dog or the rhino. You had the dog or the rhino, right? Either you were broke ass, which was me. I had the dog, or you had the rhino. The rhino ones were cool, right? You knew the kid had money. He was either selling drugs or his parents were rich, right? Echo with the rhino. I could show you pictures of me when I was like 16. Baggy jeans, skateboarder, backwards hat, circa, you know. Good old times, man. Best times growing up. 90s kid. I mean, if you're getting long here, you're top blasting, so you should probably stay away from this thing. We do have our orb, which is in. Ray Orb is in right now, baby. So nice sweep of the lows here. We got orb. Bitcoin's flying, baby. Let's go. Let's go. To the moon. To the moon. Breakout. Continuation. Congratulations, guys, on your longs this morning. Hopefully you're all paying yourselves. I unfortunately got stopped out of Solana. However, trade was given in advance on the live stream. You guys are hanging out with me. God bless you guys. Thank you guys for hanging out here, supporting the channel, kicking ass, taking names, subscribing if you're new, joining the Discord. Last day for the discount. $10 off. Use the code pinned in the comments. We got a whole plethora of people in here today. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys hanging out here. Looks like we got a lot of bullish CVD here pushing price up. Yeah, there was a good tell here on Solana, right? Like Solana here, bottoming structure, bullish divergence, big CVD spike here, guys. Look at the buyers stepping up here. Okay, on this push down, buyers stepped up hard. Okay, and then you have the follow through. Okay, so there's a very good CVD absorption in here, which allowed price to continue upwards. So that you can pin it together by figuring out the puzzle pieces, right? There's your bullish CVD, open interest drops, bullish divergence, break of the high, continuation out, right? Then you have Bitcoin, VWAP slap, aggressive move through VWAP, halfway down the candle, retesting previous highs, continuation out. Okay, so a lot of good data to be able to pin it together, and we teach you how to do this all in the Discord as well with the 150 videos of lessons on VWAP, on orb, on you name it, price action, master classes, you name it. We do it all. Been teaching for over 3.5 years now, helping people navigate this crazy stuff. So would love to have you. Just be kind and don't be a douche canoe. That's the only rules, man. And say good morning. You come into our Discord, you better be saying good morning. I mean, you go through here. Look at the good mornings, man. Good morning, 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 good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at all the good mornings, man. Started Monday on the right foot with a good community. The community is an edge. That's for real. Community is an edge. We be edging, okay? We got 2 minutes till news, guys. 2 minutes till news. We don't top blast in this place. Only on FOMC. Only on FOMC do we top blast, everybody. Bro, I could cry him 19 Bitcoin long. Let's go, baby. $2 million position, basically. 1.5? Nice job, bro. Sonaran, yeah, come to the Discord and open up a ticket. We'll figure it out, man. If you want to pay in crypto, we'll figure it out. Come to the Discord, open up a ticket. Geo Gigalong, AlexOCrypto stopped out. Hey, but we're making money, man. Like at the end of the day, you're taking money out of this market. You're doing good. You're doing good. Continue to do so, right? Continue to do so. Patience is everything. Yeah. So news coming out. Let's be patient here. And then we're gonna stay 15 minutes longer from now on. You guys have convinced me. My wife told me to stay live streaming too. My wife, of all people, told me to stay live streaming, so I'm going to. I listen to my wife because she's smarter than me. That's for damn sure. The bots have been doing really well. The Minotaur bot has been doing well. DJ Mac. Minotaur bot's printing. All right, here we go. Here comes the news, baby. Here comes the news. Boom, 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 boom. Coming in below expectations. ISM down 47.9%. ISM down. So, interesting. We'll see. So, manufacturing coming down. We do not want to see that, but we do not have a major reaction here. Remember that jobs are the most important thing right now in the market. We do want to see ISM come into up into the market because we do want to see manufacturing increasing, but we do not see that as of yet. Not a major reaction here, but Bitcoin chopping at the top. We'll see if we do get a retest back down. We have had this one here, and we're looking for bullish catalysts to the upside. Right now, no trade. Not a major reaction. Bear div up in here. Okay, in a rejection zone. SFP of the high. Right? Can we go up to 94.6? Can we come up to our 96 to 97 pink box? That would be the major target. Would be that 96,000 to 98,000. Major resistance up here. We do have our friend up top here who is being a little bit of a pain in the arse. Rotation back down right now. We can see Solana's coming back in after taking that beautiful long this morning. Quick little $600. See what we get here. But we do have our ugly friend up top here. He's really not happy with what we've been doing with all these giga longs, everybody. So we should be very, very cautious up here because we know that this guy is hanging out up here. And he's like, man, what are you trying, bro? What are you trying? He's sitting here and he's telling you, hey, man, be patient. Be patient. We might have to retrace before we continue. Okay? We might have to retrace before we... So let's be patient here. But follow through here. Solana, retest, continuation. Little block, retest here. Continuation up. It's trying to push, man. This is not as big of a top blast as it is on Bitcoin. Orb flip, continuation up. Holding here. NASDAQ very indecisive right now. That's what concerns me. SPY as well, very flat. Big gap up. So typically when I see this, I need to see something like this generally. But we do have a target up top here that we can come back to that we left from previous rotation here. So we can see we have broken out of this downwards channel. We are rotating out from here to here, trying to push up, come and take that. But leaving this guy behind concerns me for a potential rotation down today and then continuation up into later on this week. I would prefer to see a Monday false move down rather than a Monday moon to the skies and then get rugged throughout the rest of the week. So we'll see here because it would be more healthy to come down a little bit before continuing upwards. But hey, man, we're here for it either way. Looking for a potential push here. See if we can push up here. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel and hanging out today. God bless you guys, man. It's been a fun day. We're gonna continue. You guys asked for it, so we're gonna stay here longer. 450 people here on the live stream hanging out with me. God bless you. Hopefully you're all doing well. Looking for a rotation up to 94.6 first to take these highs. But if we get through that, we're easily at 96. Right now, big orb. So this could be choppy all day long here. We got a 1% orb, which is typically something that, you know, if we fail to break out and we retest in here, we can look for a rotation back down into this buy level down here where we have a nice order block, sweep of the low, sweep of the low. This is something I'm not considering longing right here, just because we got bear div and we're overextended. Unless you got long in here, okay. GG's if you got long in here. Same with the Solana trade. If you got long in here where I got long, congratulations. We'll see what we get here. Looking for rotation up into the highs here for Solana to come up to 37.50. Come up for this guy here. Major resistance at 36.80. We'll see if we do want to push and flip here. Coming back in lower part of this range here. So see if we hold this range here. And then we can look for a rotation to the top of the range. And we'll see where we're at there coming into later on in the day. Okay. A little bit of patience. It's going to pay a lot. Bitcoin looking to continue. Hopefully it continues for my boy Gio, who's giga long right now, which is awesome. Congratulations on your trade there, Gio. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Patience, execution. That's what it's all about, man. Traders kicking ass, taking names, man. I love seeing my friends win. If you're not cheering for other people, man, you're not doing good yourself, man. That's the thing. Did you mention Minotaur Trading Bot? How do you like it? It's good, man. It's really good. It's been doing what it's supposed to be doing, right? Slow and steady over time, holding the drawdown, making me, I put $5,000 on it. It's made me 1,700 in like 2 months, 3-4 months. So I mean, it's doing its thing, man. I haven't done nothing, So it's a really good passive income creator, man. Slow and steady. Good to see Infinite Gaming. Gandalf too strong. Let's go. What's going on, Kyle? Good to see you, bro. God bless you. One of the traders in our Discord has his own community as well, man. Kyle. Much love, brother. How you doing? Good to see you. Hopefully you've had a wonderful weekend. Infinite T Gaming with the 5 memberships. Geo got a membership, man. Irish Kate, God bless you. Gains for Life. Jimbo. Everybody here actually says good morning. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Good times, man. We'll see if we do want to. Okay, rotation down. Rotation down. Failed or breakout. It's typically bearish. Caution here, guys. Caution here. Caution here. A little bit of patience. Might need to come back down to view up. Okay. Solana coming back in here. Patience. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Head and shoulders. Or on Solana? Higher term time frame stuff or what? I don't see head and shoulder. Not much of a head and shoulder trader. I can't say that I take head and shoulder trades all the time. I've taken a few here and there. Retest to previous highs. Rotation down. Ugly candle, ugly candle, ugly candle. No trade. Still waiting. Bitcoin rotating down. Possible trade set up like this. Looking for this potentially. Potentially. We just have bullish momentum, so something I'm not looking to fade just yet. So a lot of momentum failure to really get going here, guys. Right? You are not pushing. Weak sauce. Weak sauce. Retest of we do have nice volume in here. Let's be real. Okay, we can see that. We have nice volume here looking to hold, but nonetheless, if it doesn't hold, it could be in trouble. A little bit of patience here. Potential for it would look VWAP slap right now. Very aggressive move. I mean, not something that you're typically looking to fade right now, right? This does not say short me. This says look for pullbacks. Pullbacks are for buying, typically, right? And then we have escape velocity, hopefully. And then we can jump on trend. I would prefer to see strength first before I jump on trend. Solana trying to push. VWAP's far. Yeah, not really. I mean, 0.5%. See what happens typically when I see this, right? I typically see consolidation here. So you're trapping longs, like short-term longs right here. Then you see a slap and go, right? And it's very quick. It's very quick. It's like the humble pie. It's a quick humble pie, and then you get the continuation. So in my opinion, you don't trade here. You wait. If you get this bullish candle pattern in here, you take the trade. If you start to go up, this is now your order block retest. Okay? So you let it run away. First test is the best test, and then you continue. Okay? Because then you're going to have everybody long, wrecked, continuation out. Okay? That's how I treat it, right? You're not diddling in the middle. You're not taking trades in here. This is not where you're guessing, in my opinion, if you're taking a trade here, right? Unless your trade setup is more of a swing trade and you're looking for like an orb orb daily trade like this. This is your trade setup. Okay, which to me this doesn't not make sense. It should be like this. It should have been like this, right? Or it should have been like this off the VWAP. This is top blasting, right? So in this situation, it's how does it react here, here, and here if we're going to come down? Okay. If you don't diddle in the middle, you look for the breakout. If it wants to keep going, great. This becomes an order block. You look for the retest and continuation out. But you don't, there's no participation awards in here. It's called losing money. Called you'll win once, you'll win twice, and then bang, 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 bang. You'll lose 500 times. Okay? Trade the setup. Don't trade what you think's going to happen. Okay? Your patience will pay you in here. It will not pay you to guess. Right? You're guessing in there. And if you're guessing, over time, you're going to lose money because the market doesn't care. It'll take it, no problem. I'll take it. I mean, Gio will take it. And there's lots of good traders in here. Lots of good traders willing to take your FOMO. FOMO, NOMO, right? We want to be objective. We want to be patient. Okay. NASDAQ looks strong here. So does the SPY, considering. Bitcoin looking to push. Got a nice candle pattern in here, Doji. See if we can engulf here, but Solana trying to rotate back up. Holding this low. Right? So we remain patient here. Discord, last chance to join. Sale ends today. Discord live today. Incredible group of people, man. Thank you very much. Happy days today. One good trade. Happy Monday, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sending you over to the Piper Academy so you guys can get the ISM data. Thank you guys so much for being here. Happy New Year. It's good to be back, everybody. God bless you, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following.